This is part 3 of Ikea Pax wardrobe assembly series, and in this one I'm gonna show you how to join correctly together two Ikea Pax wardrobe frames. In part 1 I'm gonna show you how to assemble Ikea Pax wardrobe frame on the floor. In the part 2 I'm gonna show you how to do exact same frame but assembling upright. Part 4 how to prepare the Pax frame for the sliding door, and part 5 how to assemble Hasvik sliding doors. Let's do it, part 3. What do you need? First you need the drill bit, 5mm or 5.5mm, I would suggest 5mm, drill driver, an electric screwdriver and joining screws. Prepare the drill driver. I'm doing it with 5mm one because it's exactly the same as the holes, pre-drill holes in the Ikea Pax wardrobe. And this is the joining screws, male and female part, gonna be joined together, and it's gonna work like this. So basically you're gonna drill from one frame to another frame. Of course you're gonna join the frames together first, and then you're gonna drill it through and join the male and female part of the joining screw together. So we're gonna put one on the bottom, one on the top, and two on the middle. So first you prepare the wardrobes where you need them, so exactly in a place where they're gonna be. In this case I have them on the middle just because I want to show you how is it done. So we're gonna join the wardrobes. You see the top is splitting up slightly, so I'm gonna use the clamp to join together so it's gonna stay nice and flush on the top. So make sure everything is flushing nicely, the tops are equal. Now we can check the bottom, exactly the same, just make sure everything is flashing nicely. So frame side by side all the way up. Once you do the bottom, check one more time the top if it didn't move. If you have two clamps you can join at the bottom as well. In this case it's quite okay at the bottom, so I need only one. So you see, just adjust the top and secure the clamp properly so you're not gonna move. The top together is splitting here slightly, like 0.5mm at the back. I'm gonna try to fix that, but even if it's just 0.5mm at the back is good enough already. I'm gonna try to push it slightly, not bending those two frames together hard. Do not step on the step ladder this way. I just need to get on the top, I don't have the taller ladder. So nice and flashed on the top and all the way down. So the frame is ready to be, oh it's not, it's open at the bottom. Make sure there is no carpet between the frames as well if you have a carpet, so just join it together. So now we're gonna go on the bottom hole. Just make sure you're not drilling in the holes where you're gonna go any shelves or drawers or hinges if you have a hinge doors. So check that before where the hinges go and drill one hole up or one more hole down or two holes up, so you're not going to interfere with the drawers or hinges or anything else. So in this case we're going to have sliding doors, and I don't have any drawer baskets or anything at the bottom hole, so it's clear to drill. So drill it all the way through and put the female bit first inside, and from the other side the male joined together the joining screw, and we secure the bottom with the electric screwdriver. Don't go too hard on it as the material is not too hard, just make sure it's nice and steady, and that's it. Now we're gonna do the top. So exactly the same, we're gonna need one joining screw with just two parts, male and female part, and we go on the top. At the moment the clamp is in the way, so I'm gonna push it a little bit down so I can drill. I'm gonna go right on the top hole as well. It's not gonna interfere with the hinges or with anything. I'm not planning to put on the top anything there, so we can drill it through the top hole. Hold the drills straight, so you're gonna come right on the other side with the hole, so drill it all the way through. And you have a joining screw from one side to the other side, and secure it exactly the same at the bottom with the electric screwdriver. Once you do that, because this is a tall frame, sometimes the middle part is opening, so I'm gonna put one at the front and one joining screw at the back. One is enough sometime, but in this case, because the back was the top at the back was opening slightly, I'm gonna put one at the back as well. So exactly the same as on the bottom and the top. Drill it through at the front and at the back in exactly the same line. Make sure you're holding the drill straight so you come right on the other side through the hole. So make sure on the middle you're not going to use for any shells or anything in this, so the screws, they're not going to interfere with the internal fitting, the drawers or shelves. Exactly the same as before, we're going to join with the joining screw the front first. You see there's like a slight gap on the middle, like a ½ millimeter or even less, but we don't want to have any gap, so I'm gonna put two, one at the front, one on the back, and secure it together with electric screwdriver. So you see now it's completely together, flashing nicely, and exactly the same at the back. Just secure the screw, don't go too crazy on it. Now we can open the clamp, just make sure the top is nice. Yes, there is slight gap at the back, but it's good enough. It's gonna be fine, not gonna interfere with the sliding door or anything. And that's how we join together two IKEA Pax wardrobe frames. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If yes, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, send me the comment if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.